I see why everyone on TikTok is obsessed. It doesn't come with a cord. Temu. This might have been worth it, baby. 10 out of 10. And this is like the light that actually shoots stars on the roof of your car. Oh, that is so cute. Stop it, Temu. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Kayla Lashae, and today we are filming this video in the Jeep today, which is a little bit different than my normal like bedroom setup. But today we are collaborating with my friends over at Temu because I really wanted to try out all of these viral car accessories, and I had ordered a bunch of stuff for the Jeep, and I just got a Jeep car wash, but like baby, there was no point because it's already covered in pollen. It is that time again. So I wanted to test out a lot of these goodies. I have them here, and this is the packaging that some of the items came in. Temu, if you guys don't know, they are like probably taking over the online shopping right now because they have literally everything. Stuff for your pets, stuff for your car, beauty products, fashion items for days, home decor, gadgets, literally any and everything at insane prices. I'm talking like 70 cents, $3, like literally insane prices for great quality. So I just wanted to test some of these things out and see if it's actually worth the coin. So I'll be able to link everything in the description box below for you girls so you can shop directly, and I'll have a coupon code down there as well so you guys can shop and save. They have free like shipping and free returns up to 90 days, and they take a lot of like major payment stuff, so we love that. So definitely check out the coupon code so you guys can save on top of all of the incredible sales and deals that they have going on constantly. So let's just dive into this video, you guys. So this stuff shipped fairly fast. I ended up ordering this blackout license plate cover. I don't have space on the front of my Jeep because of where my fog lights and stuff are placed to have a cover on the front. So I just ordered one for the back of the Jeep, and I thought it would match the whole aesthetic of black on black on black for me and what I have going on. So I'm not going to put this on and show you guys for privacy reasons, but I thought it was going to be fun to mention because it was super affordable on the Temu website, and you can get really good deals on basics just like this. Like, I don't want to spend $50 for a freaking license plate cover when I can just get really good quality, the same quality for really affordable. All the mukbangers that I watch on YouTube have this tray, you guys. It's like a food tray that you're supposed to be able to hook on to this steering wheel. And I don't know if I just don't know what I'm doing, but baby, it doesn't hook onto anything. So I don't know. It's just like a tray though. So if you like to eat in your car, you're taking a lunch break, or you're on a road trip, or you like to film in your car, you like to vlog in your car, having something like this I thought would be really fun. But it just doesn't match my steering wheel. But I feel like every car is going to be a little bit different, but that's why I got this so I could test it out. If you have a Jeep Wrangler like me, I would skip on this because it does not hook on anything. It also, I'm gonna be honest, it has a very strong factory Home Depot smell, and I don't like that, especially if food is going to be going on it. So I'm not going to recommend that for this haul, but I'm gonna keep 100 with you guys, okay? This this looked really enticing on the Temu website because I'm a girl, you know what I'm saying? And I have a Jeep, so I don't have lights in my visor here. It's just like a mirror. I don't have a luxury car, okay guys? So I thought this would be really interesting to try out and test out and see if it's actually good and if it works. So this is an LED light mirror for your visor, and it's a vanity mirror, and it says arrive looking your absolute best. So it is powered with a USB, and I have a USB in here as well. I'm not sure if I need to charge it up, and how often, you know, it would last. But I thought this would be really fun. So we're gonna see. Ooh, it's big. Okay. Does it come with a cord? It doesn't come with a cord. Temu. It's a very large mirror. Okay, so here's the port. I wonder if it's the same port as my iPhone. It's not. How are you supposed to use this? I'm very confused. Oh, look at that. And then it has some elastics to attach on. I wish I could show you this. My Jeep is just very... I wouldn't use this if the top was off, but I barely take it off really, but it is giving. This is something I would keep in the Jeep for sure. This might have been worth it, baby, but I gotta find a plug to go with it because it didn't come with one. But you could totally do your whole makeup look if you're a passenger princess. You can have your mans drive you around and you can get ready, or if you're the type of girl to do your makeup in the car, this is totally something I would recommend. Or if you're like me and you don't have a large mirror with lights or good lighting in general, this will be something that I think is worth keeping in your vehicle. I think it's really cool. There's different settings to it. So they love, I just turned it off, but yeah, I really like this. I'm gonna actually say I'm gonna rate this 9 out of 10 only because it didn't come with a cord. You know what I'm saying? Let's see what else we got, you guys, because they had so many different accessories like this pillow. So I did a road trip from California all the way to Washington, D.C. And baby, I was in the car for 6 days. I wish I had something like this. This is a plush little pillow for the back of your head. So again, if you are a passenger princess, get this. So it has a little elastic on the back so that you can strap it to the headrest. Ooh, not the lady. I don't want to get her in my vlog. Ugh. Ooh, I like that it's black. That's what it looks like from the side, and it has like this leather feel, kind of like a soft leather. Ooh, I kind of don't hate that, but like if I was like in the passenger seat, I think I would like this more because I'm, you know, I would be a passenger princess. This is a little too cozy for me to be driving in the driver's seat, but it is nice because my head doesn't ever touch the headrest anyway whenever I'm driving, so it's nice. Definitely a little bit of a cushion for the push-in, if you know what I'm saying. I think that's super cute. Yeah, this is one of those like dusters. I don't know, my car for some reason, I feel like everyone's car gets so dusty for absolutely no reason. Like it's inside, you know what I'm saying? So I was like, oh, I need that to just like dust off. Ew, y'all see that? And it's cute. It's bedazzled, you guys. It looks like a little mini paintbrush or something. See, look at this. Just dust in little places that there shouldn't be. You can get all up in your vents. Those crevices. Those little crevices. Yes. 10 out of 10. Why did I just find this in the bag? So my rating goes from, what did I say, a 9 out of 10 to a 10 out of 10. Next up is a humidifier. I've always seen these girlies talking about how nice it is to have a portable mini humidifier. Honestly, I don't really know why you would need this. For the winter, yes, because it's so dry and everything else that I feel like it makes sense to have that moisture in the air. But for all my natural girlies that want to have a blowout, absolutely not ruining the hair for a little mini humidifier. So this is what it looks like, and I remember they had so many of these on their site. They were super affordable, you guys. So this one comes with also a USB so that it can turn on, and then I just brought some water out here, so we're going to test this out and see if the thing actually works, because I want to know. And you could put like essential oils in there as well for like a scent as well, instead of just having the moisture benefits. some water in there. Oh my gosh, y'all, it has a light ring on it. That's why I picked this. And I got the black one because it matches the interior of my Jeep. Can y'all hear that? So this one has just a power button on the front, a USB. This is where the mist comes out, and this is like the light that actually shoots stars on the roof of your car. But again, it's daylight, so you can't really tell. And we have some vapor. Hold up now. I'm gonna have to go get some essential oils. Y'all can't tell me that's not cool. I need to go get some cute essential oils that smell really nice. I see why everyone on TikTok is obsessed. And it fits in the cup holder perfectly, so you don't have to worry about it spilling over. And also the cord is long enough as well to reach the device. So I think this will be really fun, especially if you had essential oils and a scent that you really like. You could definitely add that in there, and then your vehicle will smell really good and really fresh. I also got this cup holder coaster, basically, so whenever like I have a water bottle or something like that, and if it starts to sweat, it won't like make a pile, you know what I'm saying, in the cup holder. So I thought this one would be nice. It's black, so to fit my Jeep aesthetic. Let's see if it fits. Ooh, it fits perfect. I should have got 2 of those. I'm gonna have to go back and order a second one. Oh, I'm obsessed. And if that wasn't enough, I got this like bag hook to go on the back of like the passenger seat. Looks like this. Of course, I got the black one. It's like a plush material, and it has this hook on it, so you can hook it to the back of like the headrest. So that way, if you have, I don't know, a tote bag or your purse or something, maybe a grocery bag, you can hang it up versus just throwing it and chucking it on the ground. So I thought this would be a really fun thing, and it would just match seamlessly with all the black that I have going on. And they had a ton of different colors and design options similar to this. So I thought this would just add a girly touch to my Jeep, since it's very tough looking, let's just say that. I think these are the last items that I ended up picking up from Temu, and I saw them in the vents. So on the website they were like air fresheners, and I've never seen anything as cute as this. So let's see if it smells good and also if it looks good. Oh, so the fragrance is in this, and then it comes with, I gotta do a DIY. It comes with these little flowers. I'm very confused. Hold up. And these flat pieces. So I guess you put the fragrance in there, and then you hook this onto this. So I'm peeling off the backing, and there's different color flowers as well. Stick that, and then that way it'll stick into the vent. So here's the fragrance. Oh, it has a very fresh scent to it. Like a beachy smell. So that's gonna go in here, I think. Yeah. And then we just clip it to the vent. Oh, that is so cute. Stop it, Temu. And when the vent blows the air, obviously it'll distribute the fragrance. That is the cutest thing I've ever seen, and it definitely makes my Jeep look more girly. That was such a fun haul, you guys. If you also enjoyed this and enjoyed me testing out viral TikTok products from Temu, let me know in the comments down below. And don't forget to check them out. I'll put links to everything that you guys saw me unbox and review in the description box, along with the coupon code, so you guys don't miss out on all of the insane savings and sales and just incredible prices in general that Temu has on the website. So until next time, I will catch you dolls in my next video. Bye!